I obtained some mirror relocation brackets for my TJ, so we're gonna get these suckers cleaned up, painted, and then see how well they work. So I just quickly traced around this foam, because this backside is going to be up against the paint on the body of the Jeep. So use this foam here as a little protection, and get these things painted. They might need to be, in some places, cleaned up a little bit. Might be some burrs that I can fill in there, so maybe I can find a file and hit some of these burrs. I'll see how well they work. Alright, I like to use this Rust-Oleum 2X paint and primer in one. I think it works pretty good. Now these things look like they're used. I have no idea. They were given to me. So I'm going to clean them up, paint them, put some foam on the back, and then maybe I'll use my little canvas half doors for when I'm going out wheeling. I can just take my mirrors off and on and stick them on there. So for me, it's a free, cheap option to go doorless and still have some mirrors, so it's worth a shot. So I cut out 2 pieces of foam to match these mirror relocation brackets, and then I got 2 coats of paint on them, and then maybe one more, and I'll flip them over and do the other side. Alright, so I got these blue foam pieces glued on to the back of these brackets. So I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, so it's going to be bolted down, but give a little protection. Alright, so I had a little snag. Had to run down to the hardware store because I can't get my wrench to fit through there. And so I went down just to get a hex bolt. Stick a hex bolt in there. I should be able to get a wrench in there with the hex bolt. Then I'll just do the Torx star bit up on top. So should work. And then I had to get some nuts, because these 3 holes are not threaded. So like they are on the door. So I'll have to bolt those down properly. So let's just go from there. This is what it looks like bolted up. I just used a hex head down in there. So let's get this mirror mounted. Alright, there she is. Doors off, mirrors on. I mean, they look kind of weird, but they'll do. And yeah, just a little adjustment. I'll be able to see out of them. I mean, they're not 100% like level. So to be honest, I don't even know who made these. They could have been homemade, I don't know. But, I mean, they'll work for just cruising around town. Yeah, it'll work. It'll work for sure. Alright, got my doors off, took the top off. I have a little spider web canopy I put on top. And you can actually put your top like over the top of the canopy. Get a little bit of some protection. Yeah, should be pretty fun. Gus, the little Jeep dog. Not too shabby. I mean, it's southern Utah, so it's not gonna get cold until like November. So I got plenty of time.